Hello, welcome back to summer school, what we are calling summer school 2020, our extended school year. We are working on day 24 work. We will start day 24 work with some place value. First, we will write how many tens and ones. So we look at the number and we will decide how many tens and how many ones. So number 1, the number is 46. 46 equals how many tens and how many ones. Let's start with the tens. 46 has 4 tens. Now the ones. 46 has 6 ones. Excellent. Number 2, 19. 19 equals how many tens and how many ones? 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. Number 3, 84. 84 equals how many tens and how many ones? 84 has 8 tens and 4 ones. Number 4, 64. 64 equals how many tens and how many ones? 64 equals 6 tens and 4 ones. Great job. Now, numbers 5 through 8, we're going to do the opposite. We are going to write the number when they tell us how many tens and how many ones. So number 5, 4 tens and 0 ones equals what number? Well, we know there's a 4 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place. So the number is 40. Number 6, 1 10 and 1 1 equals what number? We know that there's a 1 in the tens place and a 1 in the ones place, and so the number is 11. Number 7, 9 tens and 3 ones equals what number? There's a 9 in the tens place and a 3 in the ones place. So the number is 93. Number 8, 2 tens and 8 ones equals what number? There's a 2 in the tens place and an 8 in the ones place. So the number is 28. Moving along, the next section is geometry. We are going to draw the other half of the picture, and then we will color the picture. So we are going to make a mirror image of this half of the drawing. It's a drawing of a flower, I can tell from this half. Looks like half of the blossom up here, and then we've got half of the stem and one leaf. So we will draw another leaf on the other side. I'm going to start at the top of the picture. I see a diagonal line here. So I will start in the same place and draw another diagonal line in the opposite direction, like that. Now there is another diagonal line right here. I'm going to draw a diagonal line in the opposite direction as a mirror image. It kind of makes a W or two V's. Now we see a curved line starting at the top of the W and curving around almost to this middle line, which is also a line of symmetry because the two halves are going to be the same. So let's draw that curved line. There we go. Now we are ready to do the first part of the stem. So we will draw a straight line parallel to this middle line, the line of symmetry, to about this point. Here we go. Go straight down and stop right about there. Now I'm going to draw a leaf to be a mirror image of this leaf. So first I have a curved line. It kind of curves twice, almost like an S curve. All right? So we're going to draw a line up, curved, and then I kind of stop to rest my hand, and then I'm going to curve the line again, like that. Now we have a curve coming down and around like that. Another kind of an S curve. It starts out like a C curve, but then it turns and curves the other way. So we'll start here and come down like a C curve. Right about here, we're going to curve up and then back down. Whoops, that's okay. It's okay to make mistakes, right? Yes, it is. All right, and now we have this little bottom part of the stem, one little straight line, and then another straight line toward the center, or the line of symmetry. So we come down straight like this, and then another teeny line this way, and we finished our flower. Looks like a tulip, doesn't it? So my favorite color of tulips is red. You can color your tulip any color you want. I know we see white tulips, pink tulips, red, yellow. You can choose a color for your tulip. Mine's going to be red And I'll just color in the outside first. Coloring always feels kind of relaxing. All right, there we go. We've got the outsides done, and now we're going to fill in the inside. Of the tulip. It's so nice in the spring when the tulips come up. They're one of the first flowers to come up. Usually we see the daffodils first and the crocuses, but then we see the tulips, and they're so much fun when they bloom. They're so colorful. Okay, and now we're going to use a green for the stem and the leaves. I'm going to come down and the other side, and I'll color in, whoops, that's okay. Sometimes we go outside of the lines a little bit, and it's okay. It's not going to hurt anybody, it's not going to hurt anything, and it's okay to make mistakes. So we're going to color this other side, this other leaf. Go around the outside of the leaf first. And color in that inside of the leaf. There we go. All right, there's our geometry. We're going to turn over to the other side. And we will start out with a little more geometry. This time, we are going to draw an X on each correct shape in each row. So each row is going to give us the name of the shape. For example, this shape is circle. So we go to these shapes and we're going to draw an X on each of the shapes that are circles, okay? Is this a circle? No, I do not draw an X. Is this a circle? Yes. So I draw an X. Is this a circle? No, I do not draw an X. Is this a circle? No, I do not draw an X. And is this a circle? Yes. I draw an X through the circle. We're going to go on now to number 10, parallelogram. Is this a parallelogram? No, we do not draw an X. Is this a parallelogram? No, do not draw an X. Is this a parallelogram? No, do not draw an X. Is this a parallelogram? Yes. Draw an X. And is this a parallelogram? No, it is not. A parallelogram has two equal sides on one side and two equal sides on the other side, and often it's slanted. Number 11, triangle. Is this a triangle? Yes. It has three sides. It is a triangle. Draw an X. Is this a triangle? No. Is this a triangle? No. Is this a triangle? No. Is this a triangle? Yes. 3 sides. Draw an X. Number 12, trapezoid. Is this a trapezoid? No. Is this a trapezoid? Yes. A trapezoid has 4 sides. 2 of the sides are parallel and 2 of the sides are not parallel. Draw an X. Is this a trapezoid? No. Is this a trapezoid? No. Is this a trapezoid? No. Number 13, hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Hex means 6. Is this a hexagon? No. Is this a hexagon? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides. Yes. Is this a hexagon? Yes. Is this a hexagon? No. Is this a hexagon? No. Last one, number 14, oval. Is this an oval? No. Is this an oval? Yes. An oval is like a circle, but it's a little more flattened or egg-shaped. So yes, that is an oval. Is this an oval? No. It's a square. Good job. Is this an oval? No. It's a hexagon. Good job. Is this an oval? No. It is a triangle. Very good. Last of all, for day 24, we're going to do some spelling work. Right. Our directions are: underline the misspelled word in each sentence. Then write each misspelled word correctly on the line. So number 15, we have to read that sentence and look for which word is not spelled correctly. What may I help you with? What may I help you with? Which word does not look like it's spelled correctly? Right here, you. We are going to underline that misspelled word. And now we are going to spell it correctly on the line. How do you spell you? Y-O-U. Good job. Number 16. Please give him a fork. Please give him a fork. Which word looks like it is not spelled correctly? Give is not spelled correctly. Let's spell give correctly on the line. G-I-V-E. Give has a V on the end. Nice work. Next, number 17, you can sit on the chair. What word looks like it is not spelled correctly? Right here. Sit is not spelled correctly. The letters are mixed up in there. Let's spell sit correctly on the line. S-I-T. Sit. Nice. Number 18. Will you mix the paint? Will you mix the paint? Which word looks like it is not spelled correctly? Mix. Good job. Let's write mix correctly on the line. M-I-X. All right, that is how we spell mix. Nice work. And that is it for day 24 work. There's a little fitness flash if you choose to do that. But that's it, and nice job. I will see you next time.